200 minus 100 gives us 100. So we have 100 divided by 2, which equals 50. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have one subtraction and one division. According to the PEMDAS, division has higher priority than subtraction because division comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this division, then this multiplication, then this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 100 divided by 2 gives us 50. So we have 200 minus 50, which equals 150. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 150.